express 0.24 in the form of p by q, so we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. After decimal, we have two digits, we have written 210, and between them we have placed a multiplication sign. This is the rule. Now we need to reduce this fraction. So how to do that? Divide numerator and denominator by the common number, which is called factor. This 24 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2. So we are getting 5, and here we are getting 12. Again, if I divide this 12 by 2, I will get 6, and if I divide this 10 by 2, I will get 5. So 6 over 5 times 5 means 25. Now look, there is no common factor between 6 and 25 without 1. So we can say that this is the lowest term or reduced form.